Hey guys, what's up? Looking for a free alternative to Microsoft Office? Meet OnlyOffice Desktop Editors. It is a free and open source Office suite for all your documents, spreadsheets, presentations, etc. It is compatible with most common file types like XLSX, PPTX, DocX, and lots more. OnlyOffice comes preloaded with lots of different templates for documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDF files. Next, meet FreeOffice, which is a free alternative to Microsoft Office. It includes three main apps called Text Maker for Word documents, Plan Maker for spreadsheets, and Presentations for slides, all fully compatible with Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint file formats. By the way, you can download all the three softwares mentioned in this video for Windows, macOS, and Linux operating system. The last one is LibreOffice, a free and open source Office suite that is fully compatible with Microsoft Office file formats. It includes 6 powerful apps called Write a Document for word processing, Calc Spreadsheet with Excel level features, Impress Presentation for creating slideshows, Draw, that is vector graphics editor, Math, that is formula editor, and Base for database management. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.